The majesty of tigers, a national pride. Tigers are the largest wild cats. Powerful, shy, and solitary. Their iconic stripes, strong jaws, and rough tongues help them survive in the wild. They love water, enjoy cooling off in shallow streams, and are excellent swimmers. Tigers use growls or even mock charges to warn intruders during unexpected encounters. Tigers are protected under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. India is home to over 70% of the world's wild tigers. Today, India has 3,682 wild tigers living across 58 tiger reserves in 18 states. Our tigers, our responsibility, our pride. Let's protect our tigers, preserve our forests, and secure our future.